Welcome to Sports Safaris, where we take you to the most adventurous spots on Earth. There could be a filmmaker with a more thrilling job than this guy, but don't count on it.
The sprays coming into the cockpit, there's really an awesomeness with this monster.
This is Jaws, a giant wave that happens only a few times a year.
Really, it's a life-threatening wave.
Jump on in and meet Hawaii's top adventure filmmaker. Also, an unforgettable sailboat adventure, family style. Sardinia is a Mediterranean hotspot that offers the vacation of your dreams. And it's affordable. Join us right now for some of the world's greatest adventures on Sports Safaris.